Hello friends, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Justa and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking to this video. I really do appreciate you. So today, as the title suggests, today I'm going to be doing African threading. But before we start this video, make sure that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel by clicking that red button down below and also the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So without any further ado, let's start. So now that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, let me just show you the items and the product that I'm going to use on today's video. So the first thing is my spray bottle, which has water. I'm going to use mosara hydrating butter. You all know I love this product. I'm going to use this sleek leave-in treatment, coconut oil, hair clips, and of course a comb. And the thread that I'm going to use, since it's an African threading, is this one. Basically what I'm just going to do is, on my water bottle, I'm just going to take my leave-in and just pour.
A few moments later.
So now I'm just going to show you how I've done like the back side. And first I'm going to start off, and then take my mosara hydrating butter. You can use any product you have at home. You can use any product, yeah. Now that I've detangled, I'm just taking my thread and then cutting it with the scissors, and then I'm just taking the thread, and then this is how long the thread is. I don't know if, okay, this is how long the thread is if I divide it into two. So let me just pull my hair. So this is how the situation is looking like. So I have one long thread, this one, and this short one. So this short thread is the one that I'm going to attach to my hair. So I'm just going to stretch it like so, and then I'm just taking, this is the short one, this is the long one. So I'm just going to take the short one, and then this is the long one, and then just do like 3 rotations or 4 or 5, and then you can see like my hair is secured, and this is the long thread and this is the short one. So you just watch. I'm just going anti-clockwise. You can go clockwise or however you want, it's not a must. So I'm just going, as I bring this hand, my left hand, downwards, just slowly like so. So I'm just going to do like this, you can see. And this is the best way to stretch your hair when you don't want to like have heat damage and everything. And also this is a protective hairstyle that you can rock maybe when you are at home, yeah. So you'll notice like this long thread has now become short. Now I'm just going to take another one and connect it. Now I'm just taking this small thread, and then I will connect it. And how I will connect it, I will just join this to my hair like so, and taking this thread and just continuing the process. So if you don't measure your thread when you're starting, don't worry, just do it like I showed you. Yeah, you can see even I didn't measure properly, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Let me just cut another one. I'm just going to connect. As you can see, this is the added thread, and then I'm just going to continue. And this is your African threading. Now when you get to the end, you can see, I don't know if you can see my hair. I have a little bit of hair, so I'm just going to continue, and then I'm just going to show you how to secure this like I did on the rest. So when you get to the end, this is the thread you're going to now start going up. Instead of going down, you just start twisting it up, up, up. And then you just do a small knot. Like so. And then I'm going to cut the excess. So guys, now I'm done. You can see how I'm looking like. Yeah, so this is the final results. And definitely, if you have long hair, even longer than mine, just know this will take you time. But if you have maybe shorter hair, it will just take you less time, and depending on the size of the section that you just want. So if you want smaller than this, where it's gonna take you like I don't know. So anyway, I'm done. You can see now. Let me just go to bed, and then I'm just going to see you tomorrow. And I tried my best to do like a medium. We like all this medium or small, but this says so that it can dry a little bit faster. Yeah, so this is like the length of my hair. Yeah, I'm in love with it. Yeah, so anyway guys, let me just see you guys tomorrow morning or afternoon or at night. Yeah, and if you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button right now, and also the notification bell. Good night.
The next day.
Afternoon, so today is the next day. It's an afternoon, and I'm just about to unravel this African thread, and I'm just going to apply some coconut oil and then just brush them. And let me just show you an example of how you can unravel them. So where you untie, you just pull the thread. Yeah, as simple as this. You just pull the thread, and there is our like what do you call it, this is how it looks. Yeah, so let me just do the rest and then I show you the final results. Yeah.
A few moments later.
So I decided to style up this hair like so, and yeah, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below on what you think, and if I didn't mention this, if you have longer hair than mine, it's gonna take you more hours than someone who has a shorter hair or just the same hair as the same length as mine. I took like 2 hours to like complete the whole hairstyle to do the African method, and I did medium twist. Yeah, so this is the final look. I'm not going to lay my edges because I don't want any gel on my hair. My hair is clean. I don't want product build-up. Yeah, so this is how I look. Yeah, screenshot this. Anyway, thank you so much and see you on the next one.